And a good evening and a happy New Year's to everybody. I'm just busy cooking, as you all can see. Yeah, welcome to join me. Let's do this. Let's just do something here quick here. Okay, so you can literally see what I'm doing. Okay, so what I'm busy doing at the moment is stoking this fire. Wait. Yeah, how do you work this thing? Now all of a sudden I don't even know how to work it. As you can see, I need to cook on my fire, but that's good. I'm just heating it up quickly. I'm using a own fan, and then I'll need to boil this. But yeah, that's what I'm doing, guys. Having my own party going here. Let me just change this. Yeah, as you can see, I'm just stoking this fire. Come Chops. Shame, the doggy's scared. Come Chops, don't worry. Don't worry, it's only firecrackers. In the Philippines, they enjoy their firecrackers, it seems. Just wanting this to get boiled. It's already super hot. Okay, I think that's good. Let's just stand over here. Now you can basically literally see my food getting cooked. Even move this like this. Yeah, my own party. Bye Ranky. Yeah, it's gonna be delicious. I'm pretty sure. I'm just getting it to boil. You can see over there, you can add some pork egg. Dis kraak ja lekker. My eie ou etetjie. Die ou hondjies is bang vir die vuurcrackers. I need to warm this up some more. See, I use my own fan. It does seem to work quite good actually. Just put this fan on it and get it going. This is how we do it in the Philippines. Filipino style. Sam, the dogs are so scared of the firecrackers. It's okay, Chops. It's okay, boy. Only firecrackers. I find them? Maybe I must move it that side so that one can see a bit better, but this is good. I'm happy to spend my New Year's like this. Make my own meal. Very good. Oh, it's getting hot here. Wow. Yeah, get it to boil. This is to use to your own fan. Welcome everybody. Welcome to the, well, I guess the cooking show. As I'm busy cooking, you can see over there. You can, yeah, looking good. Got some pork. I don't know what they call it, but it's basically like probably an ice pine or something. Here we call it tapa. Tapa. Yeah, but it's good. It's always nice enjoy it with a cup of coffee. It's always enjoyable. Get this sucker boil. Get it nice and juicy. Got some pepper in there, onion, garlic, some bay leaves. Just to put into that meat. So after this is nice and tender. Yo, I don't know how long it's gonna take. Shit, maybe like a few hours. Then I'll deep fry it. I'll deep fry this sucker. Guys, where are you from? Where you watching from? Happy New Year's to everybody. And a Happy New Year. Let me just put this hat like this. At least everybody can see me, can't they? I'm gonna make some nice food. Heyo, Jevin. What is this called? Tapa? Tapa in the Philippines? Yes, I think it's tapa. Maybe I can move this a bit so everybody can see the cooking a bit more. Oh, that's bad. And put it back there where it was. Much better. That's good. Hey, troops. Yeah, the firecrackers are so bad for the dogs. They are very scared of it. So, even this little one is at my feet now. So scared. Look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah. This meal was actually sponsored by Katie and Anthony from America, so thank you for that. She bought me a coffee, guys, and I managed to get myself a nice meal for New Year's. So, thank you, Katie. It's much appreciated. Let's go get a refill. What's up? What's up? Welcome back, everybody. I just went to get a refund. I just went to get a nice refund. That's your mic button. chops like that. Come here with me. Sam, the dog is also scared. Hi, Tian, thank you. Yeah, it is cool. I agree. It is cool. Got myself my own little New Year's party going there. I'm happy. You know, God is good. It's always good. Happy New Year, giving you thank you. May God be with all of us in the new year coming. May all of our dreams and blessings come true. I'm sure it will. I'm sure it will. The food is boiling quite nice. Oh yeah. Check this shit out. Oh wait. I need to move this. What of man? It's busy. It's not staying on. It needs to be like this. Just check this out. Check there. This is what you call amazing. This is called tapa, right? In the Philippines. Tapa or tapa. Yes for tapa, or is there the yay on the chat? Let me just put this. I'll put my head like this, gangster style. Yeah, maybe like this is better. And it is, everybody can see my face. Tapa, it's a pork yeg. So, yeah, pata. Maybe you just pronounce it differently, you know, like pata or something, I'm not sure. But it's good. I think I need to add some more charcoal though. Wait, let me do this. Province style, guys. Province style in the Philippines. It's very hot. Put your o-ring on. I mean charcoal, but in the Philippines it's o-ring. It's not charcoal. They call it o-ring. So you get that sucker up there. I just try to like space it out a bit, you know. For my pot to go on. Just put the sucker back on here. Check there. Now it's back to the fan. Sorry guys, let me just share this quickie with somebody who asked me. Share this. Dum, dum, dum. Perfection. Get my fan. See, you need to put the fan on. I just want to ignite this sucker. So what I do is I put my own fan. Everybody is singing. I mean, we are in the Philippines after all. It's like a tradition here. No karaoke means nothing. If there's no karaoke, there's something is wrong. Sorry guys, I was just busy with my own fan. Just getting this sucker on. Okay, it's starting to go. I need to ignite this again. Yeah, not always easy in the Philippines, but it's good. It's something special to always like do things this way. It's quite amazing. This is my New Year's meal. That was from Katie and Anthony, and I'm very thankful for that. Thank you, Katie. If you ever see this video, this is the coffee that you bought me. Thank you. I'm making a nice tapa for myself here for New Year's on my own outdoor kitchen. It's amazing. Welcome to the Philippines province, everybody. This is the way to do things. I think this year is gonna be good for everybody, guys. I think it's gonna be good. Thank you for pressing the thumbs up. Much appreciated. Here's cooked this sucker. It's a pork tapa, so it's basically a pork egg. I bought one today. I decided it's good for my New Year. Start the New Year fresh. With a nice piece of meat, tapa. Province town here in the Philippines. Okay, it seems to be going. Yeah, I've got my little fan on it. It seems to ignite. Yeah, it's going red, guys. It's going red. I'm gonna get this sucker on now. Let me just put this my little fan. Get this sucker. Wanted the red hot. I need to boil this. So you check here. I wish I can send the smell to you all, so you can smell. It smells magnificent. Got some onion, some garlic in there. Yeah, it's quite amazing. This is my New Year's, and I wouldn't have it any other way. Me, my coffee, my pata, you guys watching. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm just trying to get this fire started, man. Like, for reals. Hey guys, where you from? Where you watching from? Put it in the comments there. Oh. maybe I must make my light a bit brighter. Is this better for everybody? Yeah, I think this is much better. Everybody can see. Okay, this is turning out to be good. I'm just stoking this thing, got my fan going. It's going good. It's going good. I'll be back. I even got Chubbs here. Even got the doggy over here. Let me check here. Let me show everybody what I'm doing. Check here. You just turn this. You see, so what I'm doing is I have to take this and I use my baby fan and I blow it at the bottom there. You see? Like all the way there. Get that heat up there. Now for some reason now it's blowing. Okay, that sucker is boiling. So, let me turn this again so that no one can see me. And let's continue our cooking. It's just, let me just put this down. Yeah, I think it's okay, yeah. If not, guys, just say so in the comments. Check that. Looking good, looking good. Gonna taste good also. Yeah. Okay, turn this off. It's gonna make a mess. You see, the thing is, you must always adjust your pot. Just make sure that it's. You can just see here. Hey. Only in the Philippines. Only in the Philippines. Let's do this. Whoa. Very nice, very nice. Actually, want to see, I want to put it in such a way that everybody can have a nice view. We just clean this camera. See, this is more about the cooking, it's not about me. So I hope everybody can see. Perfect. Yeah, seems good. Karaoke going on, singing. It's magic. That's magic. Yeah. Now what you Aina Zwarren. Check that. Magnificent. We just changed the spot again. Always about changing the pot, because now it doesn't seem to be boiling on the side. I want it to boil equal, no? Like I wanted to boil everywhere. Well, I guess it doesn't really matter, you know? If it boils one side, it boils the other side. I guess it's okay, as long as it boils. Excuse me. Now my pot handle doesn't fit properly, but hey man, you have to do with what you have. Let's see. Yeah, it seems to be equal. I mean even. So that's good. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Smells good, I can tell you. We are literally sitting here looking at meat getting cooked. It's good enough for me. After this, we're gonna have to deep fry it. Nice and hot. Oh, wait, I need to do something. Let me just go off here quickly. Let me do this. Let me just put this up. Okay. Now let's go back to our stream. I just wanted to change something quickly. I think this looks awesome. Yeah. Okay. This feels quite strange talking over my food here. Yeah, I think that's good. I think that's amazing. I'll give it to this one. Check it out. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Check this meat coming off the bone. After this is deep fry time. So I first make sure it's very well cooked. Then after that I will deep fry it in oil, which is good for me. my orange. Always check the bag. I think everybody's having their New Year's party, you know. Everybody's singing, doing their thing, which is nice. Nice. Very cool. You see, this hat is becoming a problem now. I can't have a hat on at the back. It needs to be like this. Got some karaoke going. You can hear him singing. Having some fun. Which is nice. Let me just put this on charge here. Perfection. Yeah. Guys, as they say in Philippines, bye kako. I'll be back. Let's check here. Apparently there's a double chat, so I need to see why. Let me go out here quickly. I want to go into my YouTube Studio app. YouTube Studio. Oh. Let's see. Um, I'm just trying to see where can I turn off this double chat. So strange, this double chat. I've always got this issue, and I just don't understand why. Let me check here.